Welcome to Java Forum. In this video, we are going to see how to clear all the host names using hostnamectl command. In this video, I am going to show you how to clear the pretty host name and static host names. So first, I am issuing hostnamectl command. You can see that static host name is set and pretty host name also set. So we are going to clear or reset this host names. So first, I am logging as a root user. Next, I am going to issue the command like this: hostnamectl set -hostname. So inside double quotes empty. That's it. So it will reset or clear all the host name. See here, all the host name are vanished. Static host name is showing as not applicable. Transient host name is showing as localhost. So and pretty host name also it got deleted. So this is the command for resetting or clearing the host name. So here we will face one problem. So if you restart the service also, 1 minute, let me open another terminal. See here, it's changed to localhost. So here this is the problem here. So cat/etc/hostname is showing that no such file or directory, which means that resetting the static hostname will delete the, not only delete the entry, it will delete the /etc hostname file also. So what we need to do is, let me try reboot. Okay, system is rebooted. Let me type hostnamectl command. Okay, so let me cat the /etc/hostname file. See, still it's showing no such file or directory. So reboot also not work here. So only thing is we need to set the static hostname back. Once again we need to assign some static hostname. So that is a solution. So when you clear the static hostname, make sure that your computer is not in network or computer is out of mix, because when you use in production and execute the command like this, it will wipe out everything. And make sure that everything is, that is your computer is not in network or isolated. Then only you try to clear the static host name like this. Okay. So I have once again set the static host name. Now you can see that static host name is reflected and /etc/hostname also is showing the entry. So make sure that once you clear the static host name, reboot will not work. You should once again set the static host name back.